At CarLife, you're going to get a person that is genuinely interested in taking care of their needs.
The mission of CarLife is to fix cars, take care of families, keep people on the road with integrity.
For business owners to be able to take something off their plate where they no longer have to worry about auto repair, their fleet, their people that are out on the road, I just think it gives a business owner peace of mind.
I know as a business owner what I need to be successful, and I think that we enable other business owners to be successful as well.
I think the best thing we have here at CarLife is just an atmosphere of excellence. We just really try every day to nail it. Whether we're hiring good people or taking care of customers or the way we present our facilities, we just want it to be excellent. I think that translates to the customer experience.
What I can do for fleets is keep them on the road so that they are profitable, timely, consistent. If vehicles are down, you're not making money.
Our goal is to just be amazing at customer service, take care of our customers, be a part of the community, help our community grow, help our community succeed, and just be a part of that.
I love being a part of people's lives. I get to keep people safe, and I get to be a part of their adventures and their travels, and I really honor that.
CarLife makes it easy. They give us peace of mind.
When I walked in, it was inviting.
It's a dependable, reliable, friendship-centered experience.
I think anytime someone's had a bad experience in the automotive industry, it can almost always be boiled back down to communication. There are a lot of great shops in the area, but I think we communicate and really work alongside of our clients better than anybody else I've ever seen. Because of the relationships that people have with a trusted provider, they no longer worry about their transportation needs. They know that they've got somebody in their corner to get them out of a bind, and I think we do that almost every day at CarLife.